Before this video starts, I just wanted to say that this video is shorter than my other videos. Make sure to put the quality at 1080 HD and enjoy the video. Okay boys, so today I did the minigun only challenge with my friend. I used the real gun on real players. I'm such an idiot, and you guys know this thing and shit. I never fucking win challenges, and we were close to winning, but we didn't win. Use code SUCKMYBALLS as always, and enjoy the rest of the video. So we're gonna land fucking grotto, Andrew. The rule is you're allowed to get a gun, but you can only kill the henchman with it. Shit, there's real people coming here. I could have killed him if I want to.
Right here.
Just so they don't get it.
Oh crap. Henchman, please don't.
Boy, if you don't get...
This is not really a gun. I'm gonna disguise myself real quick.
I killed Bruce.
Did you actually?
Yeah.
Alright, end him.
Yeah, boy.
Look the shit out of him. Give me the minigun.
Okay, after you get the minigun, you have to drop everything. Okay, after you get the minigun, you have to drop everything.
Man, shut your bitch ass up.
From though.
I don't care.
Oh my god, really, bro? Let's hide that somewhere.
Okay, hold on.
You're good, don't use it.
Should I have to carry it? Nah, I'm gonna carry a bunch of...
Oh no.
We're gonna die. We're gonna die.
No!
It is what it is.
Oh crap, I don't think we're gonna win. Oh crap. We should have did
Shit, I'm not allowed to shoot people. This is not really a gun, is it?
I just knocked somebody by hitting them with a pickaxe. Is that really a gun?
Control the play.
Crap. Producer's up there.
Still don't care.
Why is this henchman pickaxing me?
It is what it is.
Minigun.
Nope.
No, why would I do that?
Nope.
Carry me that minigun though. Kill him.
Your try, Scud.
Oh, he just lasered him. He's gonna try to res.
No way.
Okay, now.
Jump out. I caught them. Give me that slurp. Please, break this.
Okay, it's done.
Let's go.
Take this heli.
Yeah, let's go. Hurry up! Andy! No, we're dead. Oh, no way.
I was at 92. I was at 92.
That's bad, bro.
Okay.
Get out! Before they start shooting at it.
Oh, that was so scary. Let me have the bandage bazooka. This could get you banned. My heart.
Right here. This guy that's in the back. This guy. Ready, set, go. Oh, dude, that kid just got shredded. I'm rushing. Oh, bro, that's too OP. What's up, bitch? Woo! What's up, bro? Me and you, let's spray at him. Ready, set, go.
I was chasing you around the house,
bro. That kid just died to a bomb. What a fucking idiot, dog.
They got to death.
Let's go.
Sprayed out of the air.
Bro, hold on. Don't shoot. I'm gonna shoot at this guy in the back. Bro, spray that kid. Oh! Go back, get back. Hopefully I do not get sniped right now, because that would be really bad.
Hold on, watch right here, right here.
Hold on. Come back. Spray the shit out of him.
I sprayed him.
He's in zone. Let's go rush him. Behind us, Andrew, right here. Andrew, behind us.
I knocked one.
Oh, I just sprayed the shit out of this kid.
Killed them. Both.
Andrew, right here. On me. ASAP, Andrew, I said carry me somewhere. Andrew, I swear to God. Andrew, I swear to God. He's coming. Stop. He's right there. Andrew, you got this, Andrew. No way. He's gonna end me. Here, grab my minigun. I need you to grab my minigun. I'm bleeding out. No, don't res me. Do not res me. Right here. Stop. Stop, Andrew.
A lot of damage.
Grab my minigun.
We should play squads. Though.
Squads, no kill.
Chill.
I got the guy with the minigun. Go get the minigun. I'm disguised as a henchman so I can shoot Brutus.
I'm at 3.
Yo, there's a god chest. It's a real player. End him. No, I'm not allowed to kill him. You have to end him, dude. I'm not allowed to kill him with Come back in. What are you doing? Yeah, maybe you should use it.
The minigun ammo, cause he had a lot.
Dude, right here. You need to kill that guy with your minigun. You heal up first. Yep, this kid. He's right here.
I knocked him.
I'm dead. He's gonna finish. He has Brutus's minigun. He's right here.
Even though if they have the minigun. Sorry. There's so much people landing here, bro.
Yep.
This kid's so dumb.
This kid's rushing me.
You can't kill nobody, huh? I killed the henchman with a minigun.
I see Brutus.
Now I'm gonna go jump into a lake.